this video we'll be looking into this problem statement. So here the set A consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 and relation R is defined here. So we have to check if R is equivalence relation or not. So firstly, for a relation to be equivalent, it has to satisfy the three conditions. That is, it has to be reflexive, it has to be symmetric, and it has to be transitive. Then only it is said to be equivalence relation. So now let's look into these one by one. So first, in reflexive, we know that each element of A should be related to itself. So A comma A should be belonging to A itself. So here A consists of 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check if 1, 2, 3, 4 are 1 comma 1 is present. Yes, 2 comma 2 is there, 3 comma 3 is there, and 4 comma 4 is also there. Thus we can say that R is reflexive. Next we have symmetric condition. We know that for symmetric it has to be if A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A should also belong to R. Let's check. Let's take 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Similarly, does 2 comma 1 belong to R? Yes, 2 comma 1 belongs to R. Okay. Then we have 3 comma 1 belongs to R. Does 1 comma 3 belong to R? 1 comma 3, I guess 1 comma 3 is not there here. Yeah, 1 comma 3 is there. 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Yes. And then we have 4 comma 1. Let's take 4 comma 1 belongs to R. Does 1 comma 4 belong to R? 1 comma 4 is not there. 1 comma 4 does not belong to R. So we can say that R is not symmetric. Then we have transitivity condition. 1 comma for transitivity we know that if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, then C comma A should also belong to R. So let's take 1 comma 1 belongs to R, yes, and 1 comma 3 belongs to R, yes. That means 1 comma 3 belongs to R, yes. That means 1 comma 1 belongs to R, yes. Let's take 4 comma 1 belongs to R, 1 comma 2 belongs to R. So 4 comma 2 should 1 comma 3, yes, 1 comma 3 belongs to R. 4 comma 2 should be related to each other. 4 comma 2 is there here? No, 4 comma 2 does not exist. So if it fails any of the conditions, then here R is not transitive. Only here it satisfied, here it did not, and here it did not. In this condition we can say that the relation is not equivalent, not equivalence relation. So I hope you have understood how to solve this question. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.